guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Rihanna and I'm back again with another video. So yeah, as you could see by my hair, it's time to comb that. So it's like it is summer season, so I cannot have my hair looking like that. So like I prepare hair a while ago. Y'all, let me tell you, my mother put some mad corners in my hair at about 7 or I don't know 6, and I started 12 o'clock to remove these corners, and because I have nails on my fingers, I cannot take that. That takes so long. I sit down there watching videos while I move that, because not to use oil at the ends to remove that, because I was taking too damn long, probably 1 o'clock already. So a whole hour to move 6 corners, but that's not important. So I doing a TikTok and a YouTube video going my hair, so I have to try and remember I doing the YouTube video. So I record on TikTok already, so I want to do a little thing again and then I come back on YouTube and show the process. So I'm going to be attempting some short passion twists for the first time. Alright, so yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a video, and I'm gonna be right back. Started coming out cool in the starting and then when to the bottom doing that. I don't know if I have to twist it the other way around, because push the bottom, but I don't know if I'll redo it. So we'll twist the other side for now. Twist one. As I did it the other way around, so I don't know what to do now. Almost to the end. Y'all, I still feel like there is a little thing, so I keep it the other way around, keep doing the same thing. So to take it out, I take a razor blade and I then pass it on the elastic. So I then have a whole plait. I put up 2 pieces there and from the those are clothes. Sometimes it's just good to do the front of the hair first, like, to make it look like you comb already. Y'all, I want to know why as I reach the top floor, the two on the top like came out how it's supposed to be. See? And then the rest I don't know if I have to retwist and I just don't not willing to retwist it. And they're different layers. That doesn't look nice. They're different. When it stretches the same, but like, the better way was this and the old way is this. I don't know. I just want to be done with my down hair already. So y'all, I redid that side and it came out better. So if it ends up coming out bad, then I'll just redo it because I just have to do the other side. So those are much better. Four more on that side and then the back. That's the worst part of your hair to do is the back of your hair. But where you're not seeing. But it's whatever. Let's try and finish my hair before night time. Please finish before night time. Because my back is already killing me. So let's off that camera for a little while. I'll go outside and come back. Finally in the back. I say I don't want that to finish not 5 blood. I said I want to finish nighttime, but it looks like I'm going to finish nighttime because it's 5:40 something. And I just help. I'm going to do 2 more rows in my back because that's the amount of hair I have at the moment. So yeah, 2 more rows there. 8 in each row. Not 8 in each row, like 8 in the back. So 4 in each row. And then 8 more to go. Wait, why the hell I said 8? I changed it up. So I'll 7 more. But I put free that could have been there. Amaretto. So guys, I'm done with my hair. Just putting in a low bun. So I'm going to check out the video on see the hair properly. To go on my TikTok. It's Riri / content creator. So yeah, I have to be recording on back camera and on flash because I'm in the dark right now. So yeah. So make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe for more. Bye.